Let's talk about cross-join function. The cross-join function returns a table containing the Cartesian product of all rows from the specified tables. And this means it creates all possible combinations of values from the given tables. So let's say new table and say table underscore cross join equals cross join. My table is going um, to be products category, closing parenthesis, comma, and for table 2, I'm going to use my calendar month, calendar table. So here I'm also going to use values, say months, and closing parenthesis for 2 times enter. This creates a table where each product category is paired with every month from the calendar table. We can extend this cross-join table by adding a sales column using add columns. So let's say add columns, shift enter, and comma, shift enter, say sales between double quotes. And for my expression, I'm going to use total sales F. Enter. Let's make some formatting. And this modified table will now contain sales values for each product category and month, allowing us to analyze sales distribution across different time periods. So, cross-join function generates all possible combinations of values between tables. Values function ensures that duplicate values do not appear in the result, and add columns function can be used to enhance the table by adding calculated metrics. Let's write one more formula using cross-join function. So here I'm going to say cross-join, and for table 1 I'm going to say values city closing parenthesis comma. For table 2 I'm going to say store. Actually I'm going to use values once again and say store name closing parenthesis enter. Okay, here I hope I have one more parenthesis. So this returns a table where each city is paired with every store name, regardless of whether those combinations actually exist in these stores. So cross-join does not consider relationships. It simply combines every row from the first table with every row from the second. And values function ensures that only unique values from each column are used. And the resulting table may contain non-existent combinations, making it different from using all function, which is only returns real-world pairs.